Okay, this is part B of Project 5, submitted and presented by Group 10, Sebastian, Amar, and Michelle. This is the D Latch.
Okay, you pause for a second to introduce. So, to build this pyramid, we decided to use two NAND gates, two OR gates, and inverters. Now I'm going to show the function table. So, assuming C is on, the values should change depending on what the values of D by switching C from 0 to 1 should also change the values from Q and N respectively. Like for instance, when D is 0, D being this port, Qn will be 1 and Q will be 0. But when D is 1, Q should be 1 and Qn should be 0. So now to show that, right now D is 0 and C is on, so this is the output we should get. And now if we change D to 1, it should alternate, and as such.
Which it did.
Huh?
Which it did, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now if we set C to 0, it should remember the last output.
Which is
So
0, right?
yes, so changing C to 0, and it remembers the last output, and the D latch works as it should.